So in this situation, we have 3 different colored items, 5 red, 3 blue, and 7 yellow, altogether making it 15 items. Now, here we have to remove 2 items. If it remove 2 items, so it means they're not replaced. That means probability is not going to be the same. They're going to change. For example, if the probability of red is 5 out of 15, it is not going to be 5 out of 15. It is going to keep changing. It's not going to be like when we toss a coin, the probability of getting a head is 1 by 2 and always 1 by 2. But here, since items are removed from an object, from a bag, and they are not replaced, the probability is going to be changing. So the first one in question number A, if the question is find the probability that the items that are removed are same color, so we're going to have permutation over here. So since we're going to have permutation over here, so it is going to be red and red, or blue and blue, or yellow and yellow. That is going to be the permutation. So red and red is 5 out of 15, and the next red is 4 out of 14, as one of it is going to be reduced for the next one. Or meaning addition, blue and blue means 3 out of 15, and multiplication 2 out of 14. Or means addition, yellow means 7 out of 15 and 6 out of 14. So that's what it means. That is same color. Now the question is different color. So when they say different color, we have to double check. Of course, if they give the question, is going to be a valid question, but I'm just saying we need to double check whether different color is applicable over here, and what does it mean to be different color. Different color means each and every item has to be different. Now if we look at the permutations, what are the possibilities? You can see the permutations are different color can be 1 red, 1 blue, so that will have a permutation of red, blue, blue, red. Then different color can also mean 1 red and 1 yellow, and the permutation would be yellow and red. Different color can also mean 1 blue and 1 yellow, and the permutation can be yellow and blue. So these are all the permutations that are possible. So different color. Now since different color, we have 2 items and 2 different color, so what we can do, what are the other possibilities? The other possibilities are red, red, blue, blue, yellow, yellow. So the other possibilities are basically this thing, which is same color. So this is same color. So in this case, different color and not same color is the same thing. So to be not same color means to be different color. So there are no other options. So for doing this particular math, what we can do, we can use the not rule. That means different color, we can think of that as not same color. That means 1 minus probability of same color. So in this particular math, we can do this. So that means 1 minus whatever probability that we calculated from the previous math. So that calculation turns out to be same color means, so the probability of same color is going to be 34 by 105. And in that case, if we find different color, it is going to be 1 minus same color. That means 1 minus 34 by 105, and that is going to be 71 by 105. Now let's check whether this works if we don't use this shortcut, meaning not rule. Not rule means if you want to find the probability of something not. So let me write a prime as not a. So the probability is 1 minus a. So we want to see that different color means not same color. If we do the same thing using the long method, the not rule method, so because we know that different color is the same as not same color, only for that reason this worked. So we always have to check whether not something and that is the same thing or not. Now if we do this in the long method, is this going to work or not? So let's check. So for using different color as this, then it will be probability of red and blue, or blue and red, or then red and yellow, or yellow and red, or blue and yellow, or yellow and blue. So this is how it goes. So let's see the permutation. So each and every permutation has the same probability. So red and blue, so we know there are 5 red and out of 15, and if you take a blue, so there are 3 blue, so out of 14, because one has reduced, so this will be 2 into this, plus 2 into, again, so red is 5 out of 15 and yellow is 7 out of 14, or 2 into blue is 7 out of 15 and yellow, blue is actually 3, so 3 out of 15 and yellow is 7 out of 14, and if we do this calculation we should get exactly the same value, which is 71 by 105.